Good morning. Well, it's a wet start to the new working week with heavy spells of rain for some of us as low pressure dominates. So we've got heavy spells of rain already across much of southern parts of England, moving across parts of Wales into the Midlands, and we do have some yellow rain warnings in force for heavy spells of rain that could lead to transport disruption, but also some flooding impacts as it is going to be falling on already saturated ground. Further towards the south, turning drier into the afternoon, we may even see some glimmers of sunshine towards the far southwest with a few showers. Further towards the north, quite a messy picture, cloudy conditions across Scotland and Northern Ireland with showery outbreaks of rain. We still do have some strong winds around though, generally across the English Channel and across parts of East Anglia with lighter winds towards the far north. Across the north, highs of up to 13 degrees today, but across the central swathe of the UK, under this area of persistent rain, it is going to be feeling much cooler and unpleasant. Further towards the south of that, perhaps highs of 17 or 18 degrees. So as we go through Monday evening, still have those rain warnings in force, bringing some heavy spells of rain across northern parts of Wales into the Midlands, with this low pressure system continuing to track its way eastwards. Further towards the west and towards parts of Scotland, turning drier here with clear skies, especially across parts of Scotland, and here temperatures could fall into the mid-single figures, but elsewhere generally holding up at around 10 or 11 degrees. So to start Tuesday morning, we've still got cloudy conditions across parts of East Anglia, and we have a keen northeasterly breeze here as well, and that will allow further cloud to build in from the east, bringing showery outbreaks of rain. But further towards the west, that's where we'll see drier conditions with some sunny spells into Tuesday afternoon. There are still a few showers around, but on the whole, a drier picture and lighter winds across the southwest than in recent days. So here we could see highs of up to 17 or 18 degrees, but further towards the east with that keen northeasterly wind and outbreaks of rain and cloud, it is going to be feeling quite cool. So as we go ahead into the new week, it is going to be turning a little bit drier as higher pressure builds, so plenty of sunshine is on offer with some chilly nights. But for more details on that, make sure to hit subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss an update, and I'll catch you soon. Bye bye for now.